You got to see this, how this woman is going viral here for the way that she is using trash basically to do these high fashion outfits, like dressing or mimicking Kim Kardashian with tinfoil or fake cobweb decorations. Christina Fitzpatrick, talk to her. She's a designer who's gone viral for these DIY outfits that look just like the high fashion ones in a matter of minutes. Trash bags.
Angelica Hicks is the ultimate DIYer. She's earned more than 9 million likes on her TikTok videos of her recreating expensive and elaborate haute couture outfits with things found around her house.
My mind has always been a bit different. I think about shapes and then I can apply shapes to the everyday.
Case in point, a trash bag. In Hicks' creative mind, a black plastic bag becomes Kylie Jenner's little black latex dress. Or Naomi Campbell's Balenciaga gown. Or
my favorite trash bag recreation has to be the Y Project one where they become the shoes, the boots. I added the kind of like garter thing because then it held them up so well. My favorite that I've been thinking about recently is Taylor Swift at the VMAs. If you look at the detailed photos, it's like a beautiful, intricate, jeweled creation. And so like I see it and I'm like, oh my God, that is that skinny tinsel garland. That is exactly what it is.
Designers and celebrities have taken notice of Hicks' hacks.
Okay. The other day on TikTok, Lady Gaga commented being like, this is amazing. It was of my Bauma video where I used a piece of a tree to make a top. And I was like, what? Because she obviously is like iconic.
Hick has this tip for a last-minute Halloween outfit.
I think that dressing up as a Kardashian is way easier than we might think. I saw on her birthday last weekend, she wore like this kind of sheer white dress thing over black underwear. And in my mind, I was like, that literally looks like the cobwebs. And that could be a cool way of being like Halloween Kim K.
I just enjoyed that, Christina. Thank you. Right after that interview, Angelica literally grabbed decoration cobwebs and made the look happen. Okay, wait a second. It only takes her a few seconds here, and it's darn good. Ta-da!